And this time they get away. As expected, clean start by Sinisibo Dambile in lane 6. He will lead into the home stretch, also running well on the inside. Ube Arden from Western Province. Arden pushing hard to try and shut him down. It is going to be Dambile and Miklali Koteni. And Koteni will be the two athletes who progress automatically to that final.